Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer with bread yeast using an easy method. First, gather your simple ingredients: active dry bread yeast, sugar, and water. You will also need a clean, food-grade container for fermentation, like a gallon jug, and an airlock. Remember, sanitization is key to preventing unwanted flavors, so thoroughly clean all your equipment before you begin. Next, dissolve about 2 cups of sugar into 1 gallon of warm water, stirring until it's completely incorporated. Let this mixture, called wort, cool down to room temperature. Once cool, add 1 packet of active dry bread yeast, stirring gently to mix it in. Finally, seal your container with an airlock to allow carbon dioxide to escape while keeping contaminants out. Now, place your fermenter in a cool, dark spot, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Over the next few days, you should see bubbling in the airlock, indicating active fermentation. This process usually takes about 3 to 7 days, but it can vary. Once bubbling slows significantly or stops, your beer is likely ready for the next step. Finally, it's time to bottle your creation. Carefully siphon the fermented beer into clean, sanitized bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Add a small amount of priming sugar, like 1/4 teaspoon per 12-ounce bottle, to create carbonation. Cap the bottles and let them condition at room temperature for 1 to 2 weeks before chilling and enjoying your homemade bread yeast beer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.